Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox TimeKeeper alarm. And this is kind of a cool little Swiss Army knife. And I'm not 100% sure if the battery is working on this one, because I picked this one up off of eBay. And I'm curious to see if it's working. If not, I'm trying to think if I have a battery on hand that I can swap it out with. Kind of don't think I do right nearby, but I'll at least show you how to change the battery, just in case. Alright, so blah blah blah, stuff and words. Alright, so we have a guide to implements, all of the stuff that the Swiss Army knives allegedly have. Shows you how to replace the ballpoint pen and the light. And you know what's funny? I don't think it talks anything about the actual clock here. Alright, so let's take a look at the knife itself. Now, this Swiss Army knife, it's got the usual toothpick. The main difference for this one is on the other side, instead of tweezers, you have a clock and alarm built into the scale. And it is absolutely dead. Alright, so I don't have a battery to show y'all. It's not super exciting how it works. You basically push the button and you get the time and you get an alarm. It's pretty much exactly how it sounds. It's a timekeeper alarm, so it's a clock and an alarm. And let me real quick show you how to change the battery while I'm thinking about it. If you look right here on the scale side, I don't know if y'all can see it in the camera or not. There's a small little door right there, and if you want to pop open the door, as with most things in life, it can be solved with a Swiss Army knife. All you do is there's a little bitty slot right here, and you just slide something in this case the little micro screwdriver in, and the door comes open and it lets you change the battery. Now, for the sake of just my sanity, I'm gonna pop this battery out and I'm gonna close it back and leave it without a battery in it, just for, I don't want to have a battery corrode inside the knife. Alright, so you have the scale that has the alarm and the clock in it, and then, and by the way, this is kind of a more updated version of the older models that had an analog clock, like this one that I carried around for years and years and years and beat up. I don't know if y'all can tell from the face of the clock, but I 100% murdered this knife, dropping it and all kinds of stuff. I mean, like, there's, anyway, I'm getting distracted. But this particular knife is a Swiss Champ Super Timer. So, anyway. So, in addition to the scale for the clock, you have a Phillips head screwdriver, and you have the one on the bottom. You have an awl. Oops, you have an awl, like so. Very nicely oiled one. And on the flip side, you've got the traditional can opener and flathead screwdriver, and the ubiquitous bottle opener and larger flathead screwdriver, and you got the little nubby thing that's the wire stripper, the small blade, and the large blade. Now, this current model is discontinued, I think. I'm like 80% sure it's discontinued. I think it's discontinued. If you want this model, though, you might recognize the tool set in that it is identical to the Tinker. And the only difference between this one and the Tinker is, instead of the scale that has the clock in it, you get the scale with the tweezers. So, if you're interested in the tool set for this one, but you don't want the scale, you don't want the time scale, then you can just get a Tinker. I'll include a link in the description with information from the Swiss Army Knife Wiki about this knife, and I'll include a link for the Tinker if you want to pick that up. Kind of a neat little knife. It's, I don't know. kind of feel like if I'm going to have some kind of powered, electrical, battery-powered something or other with my Swiss Army knife, I also want it to produce light. Maybe that's just me. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Weird knife, not really worth it. You'd rather just carry a Tinker? You're sad Victorinox did away with the ridiculous analog clocks on their Swiss Army knives? Let me know in the comments. And if there's any cool Swiss Army knife or any other cool any other cool gadget you think I should check out, let me know. I'm always looking for new cool things. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.